Puerto Rico. Right behind me is Escambron Beach. It's the marine park side, so it kind of has this seawall here, trying to protect it from some of the bigger waves since it's super windy. The cab driver told us this is one of the windiest times of the year. It's March. He said May through July is less windy. August obviously is more like hurricane season, but despite it being a little rough and the water clarity probably won't be great, I'm gonna snorkel and see if I can see anything out there. So stay tuned, we'll see what I find. there. Kind of where our boat is docked. We're just walking along Excursion Beach Park. This is not where we snorkeled. This is just the regular beach, not the marine park. But it's nice, it has lots of shade. It's got kind of a little protected area over here to the right where you could get in the water. And some lifeguards. She's scared of you. He's like, you're not my parents.
You're super cute.
I found a cat. I've seen a dog, now I've seen a cat. Hi, kitty, 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 kitty. Scratch, scratch, scratching. Hi, kitty.
Are you missing an eyeball? Hmm? No, you just have a different colored eye. You wanna?
So here's the I Heart Puerto Rico sign, the back side of it, obviously. And this is like the Celebrity Edge. Huge. And there's our ship, Symphony of the Sea. And it's going to be sunset out here on port. We just got done snorkeling and walking around the fort at Excursion Marine Park. And we're gonna head back on board the ship to get some dinner and get changed and showered. But I mean, we did that snorkeling and everything.
It was fun.
And it only cost us,
Taxis.
yeah, like under $20 for a taxi to there and a Uber back. It was under $20. They're charging over $100 a person for a 45-minute snorkel at Excursion Park on the boat.
Unbelievable.
So I'm just saying, not everywhere can you easily get a taxi like this, but here it's super easy to just do your own shore excursion.
Yeah.
Just putting that out there. Here's that Celebrity Edge. It's pretty big too. Luke thinks it's pretty new and it's got the fancy new front end on it. What do you call that?
I can't remember the name, but it's a style.
Yeah. See how it looks different from ours?